Well, here we are. It is the next video, and it is time for the giveaway. And no, it's not one of these babies. It's regarding one of these babies, and that would have to be Mr. Tristan. He is my new baby, and I didn't show this. This is his birth certificate. He's a real-born Charles asleep. And there you get to see all his information by Kimberly Lepley. Nursery name is Bibs and Bows Reborn Nursery. So there you go. So what is the giveaway? First, we're going to go over the rules. Only one entry per channel, one entry per person. Do not put multiple entries or you will disqualify yourself. So let's get that straight. So, okay, 18 years of age or older, because it's illegal to send mail to a minor. And you must live in the U.S. I wish I could open it to everybody, but if I did open it to Canada, they would have to pay shipping because it's so expensive. It's like $67. Large flat rate. So, and it ends October 15th at 12 a.m. You must like, share, and subscribe on any platform. You can share on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. It's kind of just trying to get the word out there. I want everybody to have the opportunity to enter this giveaway so that everybody has the opportunity to win. And I know I do a lot of giveaways, but this one is kind of a big deal. So let's get right to the winnings. Okay, so the winnings is under this blanket, and we're just going to go ahead and cut to the chase here. This is what the prize is, and that is a painted kit by me about a year ago. And let me see if I can tell you the sculpt real quick. Robin, that's the sculpt by Bountiful Baby. Anyways, I thought this kit was so cute, the little tongue and everything, a while back, and that's why I decided to reborn it. It is not perfect by any means. I am an amateur at best. The only catch to this deal is you must assemble the baby and provide the body. So that means you get the painted kit. That is what the giveaway is for the painted kit. If you would want me to get the body and do the weighting and everything, I want to keep it simple because everybody likes different stuff, and I know that personally from, owning reborn babies. But, the bodies are like, I don't know, $15, I think, on eBay. You can get them different prices. So, order from Bountiful Baby, anything like that. But anyway, so this is the prize. I'm going to be rooting eyelashes before the baby is sent to the winner. You can see the veining and all that good stuff. It's the bottom of that foot. So that is the prize. Now, what is the giveaway? Question. Well, it's not really a question, but this little boy here, Tristan, who wants his binky, and he's holding it over here. Oops, fell down. Needs a middle name. So the giveaway is very, very simple. Come up with a creative or plain or old or new middle name for him. It must be Tristan blank Bowling. like I said, one entry per person, and the winner is going to be picked by the name I pick. So I can't wait to see all the names. I can't wait to see, different ideas and stuff like that. So it'll be kind of cool, and that's why I wanted to do this bigger giveaway like this. So anyways, guys, that is the giveaway. Have fun with it. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all soon. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.